Cloud Cost Copilot, conversational AWS cost insights, built on Cognito, API Gateway, Lambda, and Cost Explorer. I'll start in an incognito window. From the dashboard, I click Login to the Cognito-hosted UI. Sign in with a demo user, and I'm redirected back. The token panel shows tokens present with an expiry, confirming the auth PKCE flow. This is the main dashboard. Summary cards show current spend. On the left, top services and a shared legend. On the right, cost by service as a bar chart and a complementary pie chart. The layout stays consistent, and the colors are readable in dark mode. Switching periods updates the entire view. Last 7 days, last 30, this month, last month, and year to date, keeping totals aligned across cards and charts. I can toggle light mode to show accessible contrast and clear labeling in both themes. With demo mode off, new AWS accounts show zero spend with friendly empty states, so the app remains usable from day one. I click Logout, which clears local tokens and redirects through Cognito's /logout endpoint, completing the full authentication cycle. Cloud Cost Copilot. Simple, actionable AWS cost insights. See the README for setup and the GitHub link for source.